How do you know if you're ready to buy a home and how do you prepare? That's a question that comes up often, and I'm here to give you some things to consider. Beyond the external factors like low interest rates and competitive pricing, you definitely need to consider if it's the right time for you to purchase. Here are some questions to think about as you ponder home ownership. How's your credit score? You want to pay close attention to your credit score. By paying down debts such as credit cards, car loans, student loans, you can begin to increase your credit score to get a more ideal interest rate, which in turn translates into a lower monthly mortgage payment, making the option to become a homeowner a more affordable prospect. Is your employment situation stable? The longer you have your position or have been in business, the more likely your job will be viewed as steady to back up home ownership. Mortgage lenders like to see stable, consistent employment. Having at least 2 years of solid employment history is a sign you're ready to buy a home. Do you have savings built up for a down payment? A down payment is the upfront payment a home buyer must provide in order to secure the amount that is borrowed. Most mortgage lenders require a cash down payment anywhere from 3% to 20% to be approved for the home loan, depending on the type of mortgage you get. The more money you have for a down payment, the lower your monthly payment will be, setting you up for a much stronger financial position. Do you plan to stay in the area for a few years? If you see your roots in the same city for a while, maybe due to a career or kids' school, or even being close to family, this could be the time to buy a home. Buying a home is one of the largest investments you'll make, and this type of investment is long term. What this means, to put it simply, is that over time your home appreciates or increases in value, and as you make your monthly mortgage payments, you build equity in your investment. Are you tired of renting? Buying a home comes with its own sense of pride. No longer are you paying someone else's mortgage. You can finally make any changes or upgrades without the approval of a landlord. However, some things to consider if you're a renter are: how soon is your lease ending? Is it month to month or yearly? Can you fix a leak, or are you handy? You will no longer have a landlord to call to come fix the problem. How much notice do you need to supply your landlord of your intent to move out? Are you ready to turn that monthly rent payment into a mortgage payment and build up equity in your investment? If you answered most of these questions with a yes, it may be time to buy. Your dream of home ownership is now headed toward a firm reality.